Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting the setup now. Sign in and head straight to Settings and Privacy, then Settings. Once there, choose Security and Login. This is where two-factor lives. Make sure your primary phone number is correct or you've installed an authenticator app like Google Authenticator. You're doing this to add a second barrier, something you have, not just what you know. Now tap two-factor authentication to begin. You'll be asked to verify your identity before continuing, so follow the prompts. Next, choose how you want codes delivered. An authenticator app is more secure. SMS is easier but weaker. If you pick an app, select it and scan the QR code or type the code manually into the app, then paste the generated 6-digit code back into Facebook to verify. If you pick SMS, confirm the number and enter the received code. Make sure to add a backup option, another phone number, printed backup codes, or a hardware security key, so you won't be locked out. Finish by reviewing the summary and saving any backup codes Facebook offers. Write them down or save them in a secure password manager. Once enabled, sign out and test logging in to ensure you receive codes. If a generated code is rejected, make sure your phone's clock is set to automatic time. Authenticator apps rely on time sync. If you still can't authenticate, use a saved backup code or the alternate phone number you added. Then update settings to recover access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.